Hello, swing trading, record keeping, how to analyze stocks for swing trading. Those are the two things we will be doing in this routine, in this swing trading routine. So yesterday we didn't sell stocks, we didn't buy stocks, so but we got paid dividend from a stocks we purchased for swing trading purposes that we have not sold yet. We have some dividend income from it, therefore we are going to record that. When you are swing trading, it's good you set a routine to perform on a daily basis by preference, so that you can have an idea on what is going on with your account. So this stock is December and paid 22.50. we will record that. So we must have purchased it for a while now, but in the meantime it's paying us some dividend. Last time we purchased was in July, and the price must have gone down and we left it in the account in the meantime. So until we sell it for profits, it's paying us some dividend. So on our daily transaction sheets, we'll just put the record dates. Because we didn't sell anything yesterday, we didn't make any profit. So we are going to we can just close this one. So next on our routine will be to analyze the charts. We will go to our stock watch list for swing trading, and it is good to have a watch list that you can just analyze on a daily basis for stocks, to pick stocks for swing trading. So we are going to just have a little bit over there and open our stock. So we are going to be on daily chart, whether it is maximum or 1 year daily chart. So we are going to choose 1 year daily chart. Let's just double check it and work with it. So the first things on our list that we would like to in fact we can check that one that pay us dividend, MAMGN. I think it's in the biotech. As you can see, we purchased it around July. The date is at the bottom where I put my mouse, and it went down from there, reached a lower point here. So because we are trading it on a short trend line, when that trend ended, it fell off of it. It has gone downward from there. But yeah, if anything, let's see if we'll trade these stocks, in which trend line will we trade it. So we do have this, we can extend it. Because it came close to it. Do you see that drop? It came close to it. This one, we can trace another one going that way, but because it came close to this, I will stay with that line. And this line, let's make it purple and follow it. So now we'll go to maximum daily chart to see if you can see that line there. We do see it, and as you can see, this line is around 230, and here is 255, and it did reach that line in May before went up and came back. So if we look for 1 year trend line, it will be around somewhere here. So if we try to connect those, let me see, this bottom, you see it's just close to this, which make me remain with this line. So if you will buy these stocks again, it'll be good to buy it at that line, because we have not seen it below that line, but we have seen it touching it often. And for where we purchase it, for that to go back there, it could be a while. Okay, so now the next one, let's go back to our 1 year daily chart. You see how we use the different time frame chart, but daily chart is what we swing trade on. You can see that on 1 year daily chart, we are not seeing our long-term trend line that we trace it, because it will feature only 1 year to make it the bar big for us. But yeah, so we might work with maximum daily chart and 1 year daily chart, depending on AMP, which one gave us what we are looking for. So AMP on 1 year daily chart, we are trading it on this line, and is really getting close to it. If anything, it is there. Let's see how it's going to do today. If it's going to start going up from there or come to it. So technically with that little gap, how much is the gap? $7 or so. Anyway, we saw this, but it was not enough. It pulled back, so let's wait on that trend line. Again, let's keep in mind that the line is not just a single line, it could be a zone. But when we look, it does come closer to the line though than this gap here, so let's wait on it. APH, so we are not going to make a rate on our things, because it will need more pulling to it and start going up before we get in, and you cannot do both in one day. APH, so APH, let's see the line we are trading it on. We can, I like to extend the line a little bit, but that's fine. That's the line, it is far from it. So next, BKNG. In case you are wondering, every single bar, price bar on the chart, those are price bar. It's the daily transaction, the daily fluctuation of the price. So every single bar is 1 day fluctuation of the price. The red one signifies that it opens there at that price. The Y is the price, the axis is the date. So it opens at that price. When I put my mouse there, you'll see the price there, and it closed at a price lower. So the price here will be higher than the price there. So it opened at a higher price compared to the price the market closed in the evening. So therefore, for those that the price went down 2 days, Friday and Monday. So we swing trade on a daily chart based on the swing trading strategy that we use, and we are using long-term or so uptrend line swing trading strategy. At least that's the way I like to call it. So we don't have much space there to extend this line, we just leave it. So AZO is reaching a high there, but we like to buy it when it's close to that line. So we are not going to do anything just here, but we'll just continue. The next one is BKNG. BKNG. So BKNG, what is the line? Okay, yeah, it's far from the line that the trend line that we like to buy on. Cats. CAT. CAT is getting close to the line, but is still far away from it. CL. I don't think CL will be any better. Last time we checked it, it was in a downtrend, and the line we like to buy it on is nowhere near. The next one is CMG. CMG is far from the line we like to buy it on. We just wait. The next one is COR, and COR was something we selected last time to buy, but I think we selected 2. And okay, LEN. So let's go back up and let's turn everything there. Black. Oh, come on. Okay, COR. So COR, we wanted to buy it on this trend line, but yesterday it fell off of it. So the next line with my target will be this one. Just in case it is the end of this trend line, unless it turn around and start going up, I have no idea. But the only sign that it fell off of this line make me wonder if I really want to buy it on that line. But we know that it takes a while for that to be on this line. But again, December. It was on it in December though, and that's where we traced it from, actually. So we'll just keep an eye on it. So Costco is far from the line we like to trade it on. So as you can see, those trend lines pass by the lows of the swings, and when it touch that low and start going up is when we want to enter. DECK, it is right there, but we like to buy it on the purple line. So that line is kind of oblique, meaning that lows are higher than the previous lows, making that line touching their bottom oblique, going upward. So we have uptrend line, swing trading strategy. We like to buy it at the trend line at the first green bar, so that we can minimize our chances of unrealized loss. So EME. EME, there is that trend line, 4 months or so, 2 months of trend line that is falling off of, but we are targeting the purple one, and it's not close to it just yet. FICO is getting close to that line. It pulled back yesterday. It's getting close to this line. Just want to make sure we keep it. Okay. Google. So Google start going up after touching the line, and we like to just wait on it, because at some point it's going to come back to it. Probably around March or so, we will see. GWW. So GWW is raw at that line, but we are hoping to just buy here. Now I'm not seeing, let's see if I'll be able to extend it. I'm not seeing the line that it was touching. Must have been touching certain things there. Let's go to maximum daily chart and let's zoom a little bit. Yeah, we went through, we have touch point here. This one went below it, this one try to come close but not so close. 1 year daily chart. Okay, so we don't know if it's going to continue going up from here, but we just don't feel like following it there. HD. HD, we like to follow it on this line. L-E-N. So L-E-N, I didn't buy yesterday, but it was on the list. I didn't check it yesterday. I checked COR, but not this one. So as you can see, it multiple, you see multiple pull back before it touched this line here. Use it as a support and start going up, but this is below it though. So is it going to beat this line? Let's see if we have another one. We have another one down there. Let's go to maximum daily chart. Okay, let's see this one here. That's October. Okay. He pull back to the line, start going up, pull back to it, went up, pull back, went up. It's just like it's having problem pulling away from this line. We could buy it and it could do that for a while before taking off. Why is having problem leaving this area? It didn't dwell there that long. Not here either. So why is having that issue? Okay, so when we put the mouse here, we saw that at this stage we have a previous peak around mid-year and around here. So it's struggling crossing, going past that resistant line. When it's going to go past it? December. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place the order because I saw the first green bar and that bar was yesterday. I'm going to place the order before the markets open and see what will happen to it. We buy and we observe what is going to happen, but keep in mind that it really dwell in this area quite a bit, but it is on the lowest. Does that make sense? For this 1 year trend line, it is on the lowest here. And let's see, like when it comes to that line, now when it comes to the price, because it's on an oblique thing, but again there is a possibility that it could fall back to this line. The thing is, it has not touched that line throughout the year, and we could buy and you'll come back to here, and we might have to wait for a while for that to go up. We don't know, but again, we won't know until we try, or we can wait and observe. But I'm going to buy, so, and buy before the markets open because we see the first green bar already. And sometimes you just learn by doing. Just use caution and have a rule behind what you are doing, and to see how it's going to turn out, and take note of that. So we place order for a MA. We bought MA already, but let's analyze it. MA, let's go to one. So this one, we have this long term and we have this seasonal 1 year. We have this area that we would like to, so we are pretty much buying it on like a 6-month trend line when we have this longer trend line. So we purchase it around this area. Let's see. So when I put my mouse on this bar, you can see the price there. The price is what, 522 at the highest or something like that, but yesterday it closed low 522. So we bought it, we sold it. Did we buy it again? Why is showing that it is yellow on our thing? So that's something I need to take note of, to see if we bought it again, because this arrow signifies we bought it, this arrow signifies we sold it, and it is on this line here. I'm going to take note of that so that I can review it. Let's see what I'm going to do here. Okay, let me put a yellow there. Those are things that I'm going to review when we are done. In fact, this I'll be able to check our account here to see if we recorded it recently. AM. Is it MA? I think it's MA. MA. We bought it December 6th. December 6th. Because every single bar is 1 day. We bought it here. That will be Friday. So we can put the arrow there. So you can see that we bought it it pulled back, but it's still on that line. So we'll see if it's going to start going up from that line or pull back to this, because this is the line is going to fall back on when this trend ended. But based on the previous around December last year, I think it went up a little bit further from there. MAN, that's why we buy it on that line. MANH. Similar to LEN. So this one is away from the line we like to buy it on. We can just wait on it. Activates. Okay, let's leave it there. I think we are targeting it on that line. MAR. You can color code your line as well. That way when you are tracing short-term lines, the one you like to purchase the stocks on, if you are using a trend line as a reference, you know which one you are targeting. So this line is what we are targeting for MAR. So we are not going to do anything. It's far from it. MCK. MCK. We are targeting that line. Therefore, it's nowhere near it yet. MMC. MMC. Wow. MMC surpassed this line and pull back. What I'm going to suggest, you see, that's why it's good to analyze your chart on a daily basis. One, it allows you to get to practice the strategy you want to trade. Second, it allows you to observe those stocks, especially if you are trading the same stock over and over and over, to observe the behavior of the price of the stock over the year. So that's what I like about just having, I don't know where this line lows that is touching is from, so I'll move it. Let's go back to maximum daily. Okay, it's still there now, so much moved. So that's why I will prefer you create a watch list of good stocks you like to swing trade and just trade from that list. So at this point, let's see, this is it. Let's see this line. This line is, yeah, is 1 year. It's 1 year trend line, and this is right below it. We are going to make a red on our line, our watch list today, but it went past it. So I like to see if he's going to use this line as a support and start going from there. But if today is another pullback, then we will target this line. We want that to pull back, to use the line as a support and start going up, and we get in. So let's make a red on our line, on our things, and see how it's going to do today. MRK, we are not going to check that. It is going to be out of the list. NVDA. NVDA. So NVDA is, I think we bought it 137, the price there. I don't know how much we pay for it, but you see it pulled back yesterday, in fact 3 days in a row. It's not what I'm looking for. Let's just take that arrow out of there. And let's change it to bar, because I don't want those arrows to be, I like to trace this one longer. Okay, so we bought it already, and as you can see, we bought it. It went up a little bit and pulled back to that line again, and we'll just observe it. So ORLY, so that tells you that you can purchase it at the trend line, and it could pull back to it more than once before going up. So this, we are waiting to trade it on this line. Let's move to the next one. ROP, we are now going to RSG. RSG, we will buy it on this line. That trend line is a little bit short, so we'll buy it on this one. In fact, we can make this purple as well. It's a longer line. For that to show up on 1 year time frame, let's make a purple and have both obvious to us. So TJX. So TJS, let's see, May. So we like to trade it on this line. Okay, when it does that, so we'll just wait on it. TMUS. Seriously, did you see that bar? Okay, we like to get in on this line, so we'll just wait on it. TRI, touch this and start going up, and this is another line here, but anyway, we like to buy it on this line. It's leaving that line already, but we can just wait for next time it comes to it. URI. So URI, we like to buy it on this line. We just wait on it. V, we like to wait on it on this line. VRTX, we bought it on that line, the first green bar on that line, and it started to go up from there. Good. WAB, we bought it. We bought it at that line, at the first green bar of after the pullback to that line, and it started going up from there. Okay, WM is negative between VRTS, WAB, WM is negative in our account, and let's see why. It's like 399 negative, so we bought it. Okay, so do you see it was not that close to the line when we got it, thinking it's good enough. Do you see that gap? So we bought it. Chances are that was a green bar by the time we were buying it, but it ended right that day, and the next day it was green, but it pulled back. So in this instance, it is, I would say it is aiming for this line. Okay, and we can do maximum 1 year, and this line is 10, so it's coming to this line here, and that will be a good line to buy on. We bought it here, although we bought it here. I'm wondering if when it reaches this line and start going up, if I will want to buy more. Usually I do not do that when it comes to swing trading. I don't buy more. If I don't, I wait until I sell what I purchased before I buy more. But dividend stocks though, each time it goes lower, I will buy more of it. And for the long trend line swing trading strategy, I would like to use that strategy if needed. If I bought it on a higher line, a trend line, and it pulled back to a lower one that I'm targeting as well. You see, that's a long-term trend line. I will buy it from there as well. This one is not too far from this one, and just hold on to it because I'm going to hold on to it for a while anyway. So it's a little bit of investment and swing trading at the same time. So for this one, we are going to keep an eye on it. We are $300 negative already, almost $400 negative already. And as you can see, we do not sell at a loss. Naturally, it can happen, but I prefer not to sell stocks at a loss, but just leave them in the portfolio until they turn positive, if they do, and when they do. So WM, we bought it on the 3rd of December, 50 shares. We pretty much allocate the amount we want to allocate. So if we say 399, I'm just going to use 400 here, is negative 400. So if I do 400 divided by 11,273 times, so it's like 3%. If I'm doing it right, it's like 3% of it is negative. But anyway, and I like to buy more when you reach this line and start going up, because it's going to be a while. We might have to hold it in the portfolio for a while. So I would like to buy more of it and just keep it there. WMT. So WMT, Walmart is going up for now. We are targeting that line. Let's see, as August here. I'm not sure if I want to target that line or just wait for this line. It floated on this line quite a bit at the beginning of the year though. Make me think I might just prefer to wait on this line. And here we have December. I'm I'm going to remove the color off of this one. Okay, I think I'm just going to wait on this line. And okay, and that's pretty much it. So that's how we analyze our stock watch list, and by doing so, we have MMC. We like to see how it performed today. There is I think we put it there to trade it though, but we see LEN that I'm going to place the order before the markets open. And that's pretty much it. Those are the two for sure. LEN, I'm going to purchase it. MMC, I like to see how it does today. If it's going to start going up from there, or we'll pull back to this line. But yeah, this concludes how we analyze stocks for swing trading. And again, we can go through our swing trading strategies that we use. This is the short-term trend line swing trading strategy that we use this year, 2024. But going into 2025, we like to use the long trend line swing trading strategy. You saw those lines. You see the line that we like to buy on is longer compared to what we did in 2024. We traded on the short-term trend lines. You see it? And we trade here as well. So short-term trend line there. If I connect two lows, see where it take me. Trade on short-term trend line, but for 2025 I like to trade on the longer trend line. And for the long-term trend line, we have similar strategy, but because we are going to buy on longer trend line, we are going to be aiming for more fund per swing trade and higher profit as well, and hold it in our portfolio for longer than just few days, as in the short trend line swing trading strategy. Thank you. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Growth of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in our sub.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways you can save money and different ways you can make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and go from there. For more videos on swing trading, will you please check the playlist in the description. Tarot swing trading. We do have a playlist on investing in dividend stock as well in the description. And you will find the swing trading playlist at the end of the video on the screen as well. Thank you.